Welcome to the Parts Counter presented by Hot Bike Magazine. I'm your host, Jordan Mastagni, Editor-in-Chief of Hot Bike. We're back at Ventura Harley-Davidson today installing a color-matched quarter fairing on this 2025 Street Bob. We really dig this street-inspired quarter fairing because of its sleek, minimal design, and it provides some serious wind protection too. It's finished in this purple abyss denim with a dark smoke screen. This is an easy way to add styling and performance to the Street Bob. Harley makes this matte black bracket to mount the Softail quarter fairing to various models, and it's a must-have for proper installation and a clean, seamless fit. Hey Cody, how are you, man?
Hey Jordan, how's it going?
Good, thanks for having us back.
Yeah, of course.
So today I brought the quarter fairing with matching purple abyss denim paint.
Perfect, that'll look good.
It'll look good and it should be pretty easy to install.
Yeah, it should be really straightforward.
I see you got the bike already on the lift. What do you say we just get into it?
Yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna start by pulling this clutch cable retainer off so we can trim it. We're gonna try and cut about a 1/2 inch off. We'll get it snugged up and then we'll come back and torque it 35 to 49 inch-pounds and then replace the clutch cable in it.
Next step is to get the fairing mounting kit on. So I'm gonna just clean this up with some alcohol on the fork tubes where it's gonna mount, and then Cody's gonna get to work installing it.
We're gonna put together the brackets for the fairing. We're gonna start by taking these little plastic sticky washers, sticking them over the hole on this crossover piece. Once that's done, we'll take the right and left fairing bracket, we'll take these little plastic fasteners, stick them right through the hole, and then you're gonna tighten them down. Then just repeat it on the other side. Once you have those together, you're gonna take these rubber grommets and put them into all 4 holes. I like to use a little bit of silicone spray on them to help them slide in. Now we can go over the bike. Once you got that sitting up there, bring your right and left brackets in. Just 2 screws, snug them up just to hold it in place. So we're gonna come back and torque the 4 bolts to 9 to 10 foot-pounds. Now that the brackets are all installed, we're gonna come over here and install the windshield onto the fairing itself. You're gonna put the plastic step washer step side towards the screw. On the back side, in between the windshield and the fairing, you're gonna get these little rubber washers so it doesn't vibrate. Start with just the front 2. And then I'll start putting it on the fairing itself. We'll just do finger tight for now until we get them all in there. And we'll snug them up and go back around and torque them all. All right, we're gonna come back through and torque all those to 18 and 20 inch-pounds. Now we'll go throw it on the bike. These little darts just go into these rubber grommets. I'm just gonna line up all 4 and then just pop the fairing into place.
Dude, the fairing looks great on there, Cody.
Yeah, it came out really good.
I think it looks really good. I like the color-matched purple abyss denim paint.
Super easy install.
Yeah, it looked very easy, and I think it fits the Hollywood handlebar really well. Home run. I really like the look of it. Hopefully your customer likes the look of it.
I'm sure she will.
Well, that wraps up this installation, right? So when we come back next time, we're gonna get into some new Defender saddlebags.
Awesome.
We'll see you next time.
No problem. Looking forward to it.